Taking this trade, US dollar yen. Let's go in here. I'll put my stop below here. Okay, why here? Okay, came into this fair value gap order block and the confluence of this break over here. I'm bullish, and I'll tell you why in a second. Targets here. Okay, that's the main target. This is the external range liquidity target 1 in our target criteria ERL, and this is target 2, which is a premium array on the same time frame, which is in all high. There's no other discount arrays there. Okay, no discount arrays there. Those are just the two targets. Other targets, discretionary, could be of this entire range. Came into the breaker, so maybe this order block somewhere in the way, or past this the poor trend line. Really don't really need that. Some equal highs here and into this monthly CB, right? After coming into this 4-month and 11-month BC. Okay, so I'm basing it off this 7 hours. We have this 7-hour breaker, 7-hour R2F gap being respected, and a tiny one in there as well. So it went through both, and now it's creating the bodies of the candles. So new to the time frames. Okay, 5 hour, 6 hour, 5 hour. Okay, all right, 4 hour. Nice. Okay, 3 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, 45 minutes. All right. Okay, so coming into this gap, closing a bit below. It looks like we're expanding up. 20 minute. Okay, 15 minute create, 12 minute, 12 minute create the gap. To the gap, moving higher. Okay, we got 9 minute. Nice. Very nice. 9 minute order block here. We leave this and create another PD array. That's great. 9 minute. Okay. Take note of that. Okay, candle signs should definitely take out that high with high probability. We can trade into a gap and make a PD array. That'd be nice. I'll probably get in more. Okay, we got 1 minute here. So 15 seconds. If I see nice structure, I'm just going to enter more. If we can break this high, I'm going to enter more. It might be fast, so I'm going to put a buy tree stop. Okay, it's 1 minute in here. Consolidating, so it should expand pretty fast, right? After consolidation is what? Expansion in either direction, either in a reversal or a retracement. Okay, so go back to the 1 minute. I'm gonna move this if the 1 minute closes below here. All right, let's see. 30 seconds. We make some premium discount this range, almost a discount. Discount would be here. 2 minutes, a 2 minute wider gap, 3 minute. 3 minute, we have this breaker here, right? And we're going to create a gap in 3, 2, 1. I still don't mind leaving a buy stop here. It's okay. Let's just be happy with 3 lots. Okay, back down into this. Nice 5 minute breaker. 9 minute OB. Okay, I like the 5 minute more because it has a breaker. I like that. So I'm going to highlight that instead. 5. Okay, I'm going to remove this Usdjpy annoying me. All right. $7.6. 7.6 RR. So it's nothing on the 1 minute. So we can go to like the 15 seconds. Let's see. Quite efficient here. So we'll like a break above that. Could put a stop limit there. Okay, there's a gap here. On what time frame is this? 15. Okay, trade it into here. Into the mean of this 5 minute. We can close here. I'll consider it a change in the state of delivery. And a buy stop pretty much where I entered before. Okay, so I did want it a little bit higher, but I think that's all right. Stop. If we can break this high, I'll move my stop to here. Actually, I should just move it there now. Yeah. Okay. So now risking 150 for a 15R trade. I'm gonna move it here. Second position. Let's go to the minute. Okay, we have a minute here, a minute. Got an IFG, which is also in the breaker here. Could get retracement and then move higher. All right, let's watch it. Watch it. So like this, I like this 5 minute CS there, CSOB. All right, yeah, step do. Like flying around me. Inversion gap plus busy. Okay, balance price range. CB here, so premium to a discount, and the order flow is bullish. It should go to this pool of liquidity or all high, right? So there's no other PD array there except a high. So that's a premium array. So price is bouncing from discount to premium, discount to premium. And sometimes it's hard to see the bounce because it's taking out a low or high. So technically when something is breaking through something, it's not technically bouncing. Oh, nice close, nice close. Remember the whole basis of this is this 7 hour over here. It dug deep into it. If you're watching at the time down here below the 7 hour, not a nice place to be. Okay. Looks like one of those that just keeps crawling up and then. So this is the external range liquidity. First target up there. All right. There's no fair value gap here. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay. But we have this order block. So hopefully we have the anticipation of creating another order block. Order blocks are stepping stones which price can use to move higher, right? They're like steps or ladders, basically, ladder steps. So I like to see down candles get printed, not just up candles, because if it's just up candles, then it's pretty scary, and price would be due for retracement, depending on what time frame you're looking at. Or market. If you look at gold on the yearly, it seems to just be going up, 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 up. All right, nice 1 minute over here. Okay, this is the wait for this candle to close first. This scary candle. It came all the way down to the midpoint of this wick for whatever. The reason, actually, let's go look at the different time. No, nothing on that time frame. Okay, 3 minute is still here. Okay, we're still tapping into this 3 minute gap, 3 minute R2F. Yeah. Okay, 4 minute, 5 minute. Okay. Oh, okay. Wow. All right. This is a scary one. This candle, right? When you're looking at it, looking at a wick, it's always completely red at one point or completely green, right? So that's why we don't want to chase candles. When you're chasing candles, it's not going to go well, okay? Because there can be green candles that end up red that end up green, and that's how the market makers get you. That's how they get you. The bodies tell the story, and the wicks do the damage. They do damage because people are putting their stops too tight. You're gonna keep getting stopped out. Give your trade some room to breathe. Give your idea some room to breathe, right? You don't have to be perfect. And if you're trading the lower time frames, because of spread, you have to be rather perfect and fast. Okay, I think there was a 4 minute. Oh, it's a 5 minutes. Nice. Okay, 5 minutes gonna close. Very nice. You can see how the PD array matrix is working. The low, okay, gap, use this as a high, create the order block breaker, and it keeps on building on this. Okay, it's using the old inverse PD arrays in order to build new ones. Okay, so it's kind of holding on to that a bit whilst it creates new ones, and now it has some footing to go higher. Our target is still up there. First target here. We gotta eat all through that. So after we hit our first target, I'll just close the video. You see that confidence? After, not if. After we hit that target, I'll close the video, and then you can go ahead and, set an alert at these places. Oops, I thought that was an alert line. Set an alert, both the stop and the top. So when it hits it, and then you can kind of see it for yourself. Yeah, our price is 144.534, and yeah, our stop is 143.918. Okay, this creates a gap, a R2F gap with an order block. I like those. I do like those. Okay, so let me pause the video for a little bit. Or do we need to? Okay, I'll keep the video running. Okay, well, I'll keep the video running, and I'll just fast forward this in post-production. I'm gonna go sit down a bit, so let's see. Alright, it looks like it's about to hit first target. Okay, go highs, first target hit. I'm gonna put a limit here. Just take out a bit of this position. Let's take off half. Okay, half would be about 450 or so, and let the other right here. Okay, so yeah, I'll stop this video now and let's see if it hits the target. Alright, I'm back with the results of the trade. As you can see, we had the price make equal highs. Stop the video here. And we had a retracement, okay, into a nice POI. I think it was a 15-minute gap. And then we pushed up and planning to profit. I moved my stop partial a little bit higher because we created this equal highs. After retracement, it's likely we push higher than that. And, I wouldn't be afraid of a reversal right in the top here. I figured there'd be more momentum. Okay, we traced down here into a 20-minute R2F gap. You can see at the 20 minutes for your own research, and then we finally hit our second target. But I kept some partials for even higher targets. As we can see, I took one here, which was at this target here. Then I took some more partials here, about 0.75 lots. 3.75, 0.37 lots, and my final target is up here, totaling almost a 95 R kind of trade after scaling my risk. But of course, on average, it's not 95 because I've taken partials here, 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 here. But still, a very nice trade, very big move. Total 300 pips so far. Could be around almost 400. Very nice. Where am I taking profit? Finally, this refined 4-hour order block here is the final target. Okay, took out this high. I figured if we were to reverse, it just might be here, right? So I don't know this small trade too much longer. Just call it a day. And yeah, very nice trade overall. I hope you enjoyed the analysis, and this thing panned out so beautifully. Till next time, I'm signing out.